Real success comes from doing, not declaring. Hi guys, Sean here, and it's my day 4 of my video journal. I took a rest for 3 days because I had a lot of events from the past weekend and my body has to recover. May nabasa ako on this book kanina about Hell Yeah or No. Thank you pala kay Aldrin for giving me this as a gift. Na book, napakagandang libro. Doon sa chapter ng Keep Earning Your Title or It Expires. Holding to an old title gives you satisfaction without action. By using a title without actually doing the work, we actually fool ourselves into thinking that we are assured of that success. While I'm not against manifesting or declaring of success, as a coach myself, I've met a lot of people who actually fall into the disguise of telling themselves that they're successful, manifesting, declaring themselves as somewhat, rich already or have already achieved whatever success they want in life. That's totally okay, manifesting, declaring your success. But that's actually a premature sense of satisfaction. It can actually keep us from doing the actual hard work in order for us to get successful. And that's actually dangerous. If we only keep on, manifesting or declaring without actually doing the work, then we won't be able to actually experience real success. So I just want to end this video for us to be able to understand. Don't fool ourselves, because what really matters is what action we are doing for us to get there, to become successful. And it's only us who are responsible and accountable for that. There's nothing wrong with manifesting or declaring your successful life or your futuristic dream or whatever you're trying to manifest or declare. That's totally fine. But if you actually don't take action, that's where the danger comes in. So I hope this mini reflection that I had helps you in one way or another, and really rooting for you. If you really would want to become successful, you have to start doing rather than, just keep on manifesting. So you have to actively earn your title or else it will expire. Good night and see you tomorrow.